To help people tailor writing to a target audience, they can use a formula that takes the text and returns some value indicating how easy it is to read. I'm going to explain some of them and show you how they work. The Flesch Reading Ease is a popular score that measures the average sentence length and average word length. It's used in many applications like Grammarly and Microsoft Word. The formula is 206.835 minus 1.015 times the number of words divided by the number of sentences minus 84.6 times the total number of syllables divided by the number of words. The second term here is the average number of words per sentence. The third term is the average number of syllables per word. Because both of these terms are subtracted from this first constant, higher lengths mean a lower score, and that means lower readability. Flesch provided this scale from 0 to 100 to interpret the score, although the score can be outside this range. Let's walk through some examples. Here's our text. The feline is beginning to wander underneath the table. Just one sentence. The number of words is 9. The number of syllables is 16. And the number of sentences is 1. The average number of words per sentence is then 9. The average number of syllables per word is 16 over 9. The formula gives us the score 47.3. According to the chart, this is a difficult sentence. It really isn't, but this shows that readability tests should be applied to text that's bigger than one sentence. Let's reduce the number of syllables while keeping the other numbers the same. Here's our new sentence. The cat is beginning to walk under the table. The new number of syllables is 13, lowering the average syllable length to 13 over 9. This gives us a new readability score of 75.5. This is a big improvement. One limitation is that it doesn't take into account how obscure words are. Many people don't know some rare, shorter words, and there are longer, more common words. This can skew the results. One test that addresses this is the new Dale-Chall Readability formula. It uses a set of 3,000 common words understood by elementary school students. The words not on this list are considered to be hard. Here's the formula. In our previous sentence, all of the words are considered to be easy, so there are 0 hard words. This gives us a score of 57.79. This is considered to be an easy sentence, as expected, so this may be a good alternative. But they don't take into account grammar. The Golub Syntactic Density score makes use of T-units, which are independent clauses and the dependent clauses attached to it. It also counts various grammatical structures and forms and assigns them a weight. The total is divided by the number of T-units. I'll go through a quick example. The cat had been hiding under the table because the dog had come. The independent clause is, the cat had been hiding under the table. The dependent clause is, because the dog had come. So there's one T-unit, and that's the entire sentence. There are 13 words in the sentence, so there are 13 words per T-unit. There is one subordinate clause per T-unit. There are 8 words in the main clause, and there are 5 words in the dependent clause. There are no modals. There are 3 auxiliary verbs, had, been, and had. There is one prepositional phrase under the table, and there are no possessives or the other things. We add these up and divide by the 1 T-unit and get 19.3, which this table says should be a difficult read. Again, this is skewed because there's only one sentence. The reason a test like this is more difficult to automate is because the text needs to be processed with a parser to find all of the clauses and phrases. If you want to learn more about computational linguistics, feel free to check out my other videos and subscribe. Thank you for watching.